Hello guys, welcome back on a technology battlefield. Let's learn and watch with practical in these tutorials how to especially unlock the permanently iCloud activation lock line. Sure, any iPhones that is locked to owner is asking that this device was lost, erased. Yes, activation lock that prevents anyone who is not the owner from the using this device. Sure. Is to unlock this device, enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. So during the setups, what's the easy way without doing a jailbreaks to unlock it and without touching on this device especially? How could you especially generate a new Apple ID and password and directly we cannot transfer it as a new ones while the purchasing and we are going to create the new Apple ID and password. This is locked to owners. Now see, for more visuality, especially I have connected one reflector via USB data cable and see here on desktop. So don't worry, either your device is blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode. In a situation, of course, we have one remedy. Spontaneously, either your device is locked with a time screen passcode, SIM invalid, or network carrier locks, any kind of. Yes, this is a punisher for every issues, all kind of the issues for iOS, particular especially for any iPhones. So right now I would like to show you the manually by disconnecting of this one. See guys here, see this locked owner, the SIM card is inside there, and now see after especially having the moment here, it's going to the structure. So the manually we are unable to operate it. So how could I go for to unlock it and the permanently? We will see here live. Yes, we will take a scarcely, of course, 10 to 20 minutes here, and thereupon, of course, we will try to show right now this reflector. I'm going to now cut it, and let's start now. The first and foremost, we will open iTunes. In iTunes, especially, see guys, after accessing the data, what's it saying, or it's going to freeze, yeah, and any kind of the error. Whatever the error will comes, of course, we will try to fix it also, guys. Step by step, we will see here. Let me back so that it will try to assess it properly. See right now iTunes is not connecting right now. See there is no symbol. So how could I now see once again? I would like to show you iTunes is not connecting right now. Maybe what's the reason inside of that, we don't know, but don't worry. If the iTunes is also not connecting to with any SP the particular iPhones, and then how do you fix, we will see live here also, don't worry. So the first especially we will once again try iTunes. See it's not opening. We'll go for energy administrations once again and we will check it out. Still having the error guys here. What it says then we will open a especially in 3U2 in that condition. iTunes is finally open guys here. We will see, check it out. Let's wait here. See it's coming on up. It's opening, but the iPhone is not connecting currently. I don't know the why. Maybe what's the reason here, should be iPhones involved. So these kind of issues, if the iTunes is not connecting, especially by virtue of iTunes in that condition, of course we will have to go for energy administration. We will have to come the toolbox. In toolbox we will come the utility, and upon of course here we will go for the repair of these things. We'll go for, let's see here this ones. So quickly it will address all the problem, and thereupon iTunes would be especially able to either connect or configure. This is very important. Before the proceeding of these things, we will have to fix it. I don't know the particular on this device, it's having this kind of error. So firstly we will fix. So approximately you can extend the 5 minutes more here, and we will see live here, don't worry. It's a totally free, of course. These all tools are free, of course, not the chargeable. Don't pay any amounts especially anywhere. Just do it, similar strategy that I'm trying to do here. Now almost we have fixed this iTunes. Let it fix completely. Now this only once iMobile device, these things we will have to fix. Now we will go for confirm, and thereupon of course we will come here, so we can close it, and thereupon of course we will go for timeout. So we will disconnect this, and thereupon of course once again we will connect in the PC. So now see here, still it's still having the connection problem. See, iTunes is also still having the error. So now after closing this iTunes, of course once again we will come to open. Now let's yes, and now it's removing the some maybe old data, and thereupon we will check it out. So try to use the appropriate data cable also, guys. Now right now see, just we will rotate especially, and this data cable, and thereupon we will check it out. Still it's saying the weight of these things, I don't know why. So in that condition this kind of the error is coming. So once again we will try to come the utility, and thereupon of course we will go for repair. So this thing is having the problem, the beta. So I don't know why this thing we will have to fix. No, 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 just to see, guys. No, device is not coming to our connections. Now it has notifies that this has been disconnected. In the midst of that, some the particular on the old device or the new one also that is locked with the last 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, this kind of error will comes because it's not cam in the internet connectivity. That's why not configured with the Apple base data server. So now once again I'm trying to everything uninstall, and thereupon of course we will check it out. Now iTunes symbol cam here, so it means I think this will now complete. We will go for confirm, we will go for here, and thereupon iPhone symbol cam here. So now finally this has been fixed, guys, and as we see here this is that it is also saying so down. Now see, this is locked to owners of course. So see, this device was lost, erase into the polite password. Now it's enabled to fetch off the anything now data, don't worry. Now first and foremost, now we will come the 3U tool, and thereupon sorry, let me close this app, and of course yes, we will close. Now we will come the toolbox. On toolbox we have the one that is a crash analysis. Now see here, keep activating. Now we will check it out. Now let's especially fetch the proper data. It's in the still taking time, so it's unable to that's why it's having the data is not coming. So in that condition, guys, we have another options. That is of course we will back and we will connect especially Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi especially here, let's we will go for joins. Now file in inside. Now see, there is some data especially these things we will have to connect. Yes, this kind of data we have faced the multiple times, guys, so that's why don't worry. I'm sure that of course I'm going to unlock it, don't worry. Now see, now this error will be fixed. Just we will have to change the internet connection. That now see, we are having the good Apple database configurations, fine. Now once again we will go for the crash analysis, and on this Apple database server we will check it out, so that is there something inside of there. We will go in the file. Now it's a clean, fine. Now it's a time to especially the common and especially on a smart flash. A smart flash we will go for refresh options, and the refresh options latest beta version. So latest one is a 18.32 beta version. Why it's so? Because we can check it out, and we can download also by the coming on this website. That is of course we will open a Chrome browser, and upon in the Chrome browser we have to just wait guys. Here you have to write just IPS IPSW beta, and of course we will come here, and upon of course we will come, and upon just the first links we will have to come, let's say here, and upon of course we will choose the product, and upon after choosing the product, this After choosing the product of just we will come the select the model number, let's see, and the phone on 7th January it has been released, of course. So just with the one clicks we can download it. This downloaded, of course, I have kept in my downloading options in a Windows C file, so we can close it, hence no problem at all. Directly you can visit on this website also, that's a www.3. So we are here, fine. Just we will try to the imports, and the imports in the we will come the download, and this IPSW can be today. This one's is 18.3 we will hold, and of course it will try to verify so this. Now on the other hand we will have to rex the another, sorry, let's see, once again we will backs, and of course with good configuration we will try to approach by virtue of imaging PC. We will have to assume delete importance data if it's remained, it's verifying. On the other hand, imagine PC now almost it has been opened. Of course if any multiple device has been connected, then of course we can close those things. Now this device cam here, now here we will go for here, see show device in the console, and we will have to clear all the old data. So we will come here and upon now see this IPSW has been imported successfully. So just we will come here and at least 20 times so we have the clear till the date of the today. So yes, for more good configuration in the midst of that, try to back and activate once again. Let's see, yes, we will clear. Now see, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, now 5s, now 12 13s we will backs. Now once again, of course we will clear, 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 we will clear, and upon almost we have done. Yes, let's see, fine. Once again we will come here and see almost. Now on the other hand, of course, let it accumulate, it's accumulating some, of course, old data. Why we are trying to clear the console? Let's clear whatever the old data or redundant files or residues the particle is inside on this device. So when it will come with Apple contact, Apple database server, then it will detect automatically, of course, that this device is linked to owners. So that's why we are having the problems. If I wipe out completely, if I able to wipe out the completely previous history of ads, yes, on this device, then this device will not be tracks that this device is linked to. So these thing we will have to just do here, and upon we will see the what will magic will happens at the end of just last 2 3 crucial step that also we will have to fix. Yes, in the midst of that, a little bit you will have a disturbance like that, and especially see the computer is going to be hanged because multiple apps we are using right now. So that's why just if we then we will go for backs, and upon see these kind of the things will notify again and again here. Don't worry, just we will close, and upon will come in the 3 tools, guys, don't worry. And upon here, see it will disturb again and again, but what we can here, guys, now we are trying to clear, so definitely it will disturb. So now after come also this beta versions, what we will have to select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data, means whatever the data we have the clear, that would be retained once again. So that's why don't select, and you have the flash mode, don't select, it will take much more times, guys, more than half an hour to the complete of that. But if we are unable to execute by a fast this quick flash, then we will go come with this one. So don't worry, we will come on this mirror, and upon, of course, we will click on a here and let it close. It's disturbing the mist off, so just let me, it's going to see in the midst of that hand. So just we will refresh, and upon let's come on there, almost we have the clear. So here we have option one is a REC mode, just we will come with this one and hit this ones, and of course let it cancels. Will come on a console method, sorry, on a console especially. Let's see. So now this device gone in an especially recovery, and what is the situation of iTunes? See, iTunes is given notification, so we can close this iTunes, we can close this especially notifications, and we will come on a here, and this, see, it's totally hanged this imaging PC, guys. What we can here, it's not giving any option, and it's totally hanged. So just only once this 3U tool is working. So just wait here, it will be, it will give options, don't worry. Just on from here, just we will go for close all these things. So now it has been gone. Now once again we will try to come here, and especially just where it is imaging PC, don't worry, a little bit, hence 2 more minutes especially we will text. Now finally we will close, we will come on here this device, and thereupon we are unable to things, see, it's a saying that, don't worry, just now we cannot do anything. So just we will back so from the recovery, and thereupon once again, see, this device will restart, and thereupon we will come here, and thereupon once again we will come the show device console, where see some of the particular devices different issues. So don't worry, now it's coming. See, almost a white screen is coming. See, there is nothing inside, and it in the state lock to owners fines, we will backs, and what we can see, it was a free, so that's why all the procedure don't miss. And just we will come the setup with another or the quick this mode, just we will come customization, we will come the here, and thereupon let it. Now here just see white screen is coming, so nothing is inside there. Let me close, and thereupon of course once again so device the console. So now there is nothing inside of that, see here, so it's totally almost clear. Now cam here finally show a little bit cam here. Now once again come the 3U tool, after clearing once again we will backs and hitting these ones, and of course we will try to clear. So almost it's a white screens, and thereupon of course we will come here, we can close it, and this. Now let's start this procedure. Yes, we are on here. So what we can here, just we will come on a iDevice, we will come in the go in the inside of the flash, and selecting this method, and selecting this one, we will go for here, and thereupon battery is a more than 50%, then go for buy without selecting this one. If you are unable to especially show that battery is sufficient, then clicks this one, and thereupon go for. So right now I would like to have the quick one. So now we are on here. Now this device will be exited from especially recovery, and thereupon we will see a start the further meter. What's happening here? We will check it out. Now 18% is we have the rest, don't worry. Everything's in front of you. This is not because as we know that we have the fixed the I mean iTunes and this thing, so that's why actually we have almost spent here 18-19 minutes or 20 minutes, you can say. So don't worry, now we have this on the 34%. We will see if any kind of the error will come, then also that I will fix it, don't worry. So on an older device or a particular new one also that has been locked with the 4-5 months 6 months, so there it will give you this kind of the especially error that your device is not connecting. Sometimes so 3U tool will give you error, sometimes this software that is imaging PC will give you errors. But these things just be stable on your commitment, and keep doing this will make you more efficient to handle of the all kind of the iPhones, especially all types of the iPhones, to address this kind of the issues of any kind of the security. That is a screen passcode, face ID, touch ID, or yes, iCloud, blacklisted, stolen mode. In each situation, just this thing we will have to apply, and thereupon we will be able to fix it. And in front of you now 50% we have done, so I hope this device will be nothing inside of there. Now we have the cleared, we have once again checked out also by going once again run as administration of imaging PC, and we have the clear, there was a white color of the consoles. This is a symbol that there is no inside any data. That's, that is especially, and due to that, if there is no any inside any data, then I'm sure that this device will not be especially tracked out on the cloud by especially able database share with that this device doesn't belong to you guys. Now, the further, what's the crucial step we will have to execute? Let's discuss on it. The firstly, during this flashing process, the device may restart multiple times. So please don't unplug, don't disconnect the device. Otherwise, you will have the problem. This device will stuck on Apple logo. If you are having this kind of error, simply up volume, down volume, leave it both, and quickly we will have to keep holding this on off key, guys. So it will be a stuck on Apple logo, so it will be a directly rest till it's not going DFU or recovery. So once again it will come the DFU, and thereupon all the tool will be a functional. Otherwise, if it stuck on Apple logo, then all the tools, either it is a 3U tool, Imaging PC or iTunes, will not be a functional. So that's why be sure for it. In a difference, of course, a special device we have the fast. Also, I mean this kind of data that I have fixed live especially. So that's why especially this video is going to launch whatever error the coming live we are fixing, and the phone we are going to, of course, unlockings or unlocks of this kind of this visually Apple's device. Now that we have spent 22 minutes and still we are on a 50%, but not 50%, guys, almost 90% we have it here. Just look at here, don't go for on here. Sometimes 3U tool also phrasing and not accurately notifying there that now see 68% we have raised, and almost here we have done it. Just further it's costly 2 to 5 minutes we will have to spend. Now we will check it out also that iTunes is going to functional. Yeah, once again it's going to the phrase. Once again we will have to rate this or not. We will check it out. See here. So firstly, 2-3 crucial step on a 3U tool we will have to execute on this device, and thereupon, of course, we will have to open iTunes, and thereupon we will try to generate enable ID password, and we will try to transfer this particular ID on this device so that and manually thing while they're starting and it was going to a trap on this thing, everything we will escape that. So let's see how it is possible. We will check. We will show you how. If inside network carrier lock is also there, that's also I will fix it, don't worry. If the SIM card is going to be invalid, in that condition also we will fix all kind of issues fix in one tutorial, guys. Yes, so that your time will be very much valuable, especially after watching these tutorials. And of course, I'm not talking about especially once anyone who is facing this kind of issues, they have to ask. Yeah, share this content for everyone, all the iPhones beneficiary. Because ever in a especially lives, if there is any problem related to the iOS or of course or iPhone's device, then they can fix it. We have of course taken all the especially problems on a particular procedure. So see, sometimes the iTunes was not connecting, sometimes tools is not connecting, any software additional. So this kind of the how do you connect, how do you have. So this channel is especially of course the category for especially I would say iOS or Apple support. So let's see now. We are on a 89% is no 79 now, so from 7 directly we have the jumps that congratulations claim class has been completed. So this procedure has been completed. Let's start the cruise. So it has started. Just simply this cursor we will have to keep it on here and leave it. Means let it highlighted what's that batch activations. What's important is whatever the Apple ID inside there, whatever especially passwords, everything we will skip and we will. Now it has been highlighted. Simply one clicks on here, guys, and upon one click here, and let's say start. We are not doing anything now here. it has started to run to reinstall this new iOS beta version, and they're trying to the activation skipping. We will have to wait here 1 to 2 minutes or maybe 3 minutes. Here, if I face any kind of the error, then we will have to find out via sales model number where what's the location of this device there was a purchase first time or sold. Suppose this phone is basically taken from the Europe, we will have to create the IP address by virtue of its virtual private network of Europe, and thereupon we will give the particular configuration that this device is there. How do you do this? How do you do that? That I will show you in the next tutorial. But of course, here if any this error will come here, then of course I will show you live. But this error not come here directly, it has been succeed. So just we will click on a green dot, and thereupon of course will come the virtual location. We will hit this one, true location. Sorry guys. Now see, this device has been restarted. We'll have to wait. Sorry. Now see, all are in the heading. So now we will have to text when deactivation option will be highlighted. Let's wait. Now it will be highlighted, guys. Fines, we are on here. Now it has been highlighted. Let's attack on it. We will select this one. We will go for the activation. We will have to wait 10 seconds here, guys. Sorry. Now we will go for deactivate. Now this one is also done, guys. Finally. Now what we will do, just we will come here, and thereupon now we will come here, we will select the language, and thereupon we will try to especially here open a iTunes. It's essential that something, just we will go for, let's access our data. Now see, yes, iPhone has started to connect here. Let's access the data and what's the messages are coming here. Now see, this is a here language setting, and there see directly magic happens. Still iTunes is not giving a notification, and it has gone. Now it's essential as welcome to new one. So what you say, guys, here magic will happen. Just go with this strategy. Now we will come inside here. It's go sign in, and here is a C. Now yes, we can generate a new ID and password, but don't generate here. Just simply we will come here, check it out. Let's cut, and thereupon we will come the password. These things we will have to firstly show face ID and passcode. These are all thing has been disabled, guys. So of course you can generate. How would I? Simply we will come the sign in to, of course here is the option to create a new Apple ID and password. Let it access the data properly. Now we have option, guys. See here, directly this ID would be a transfer. Where? Yes, we will come the back to, of course, we will come the here, and upon this ID would be directly manually use another device. Don't do that. Just this ID would be directly transfer from here. If I generate here new Apple ID, write in Apple ID, write the password and verify password, and upon go for continue. Verify password means you are going to create a new Apple ID. If you have old ID, then directly we can enter here, and upon we will as a nuance device so we can use safely. Otherwise, of course, if you don't have any Apple ID particular, then you can generate here any email ID. That's email ID Yahoo, of course. Enter password according to your own initialization or desire. You have to write and verify this particular, select the country, and thereupon go for continue, and this ID would be generated, directly would be a transfer from here. Otherwise you can send it here. Also new Apple ID and password, it's asking here that enter the Apple ID and these things. If we don't have, then we will write here forgot password. Yeah, here is option the sign in charge to the family. No, we will back and just we will click here don't have. So if I click here don't have, then now see date of birth and things, and you can generate here also. Now this device is finally unlocked, guys, and now let's check it out. The SIM card is working or not. Just we will check it out. Now see, it's taking time. Let's have the difference code. We will go for. Still, it's taking time. Now it's working. Welcome, guys. Now see here, the SIM card is out. In a case the SIM card or network is not coming, just we will have to come the reboot option. This option will be here and hit this one. Still it's not coming. Once again we will have to come the virtual location and the phone go for a true genuine location of these things. Because when we will be modify these ones, then once again we will have to come the true locations. So how easily this can be fixed? This is all about, guys. Further any inquiry, of course, blindly have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be managed to the reply of the query, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.